What's up guys, welcome to the codecamp.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Java on macOS. So for this you need to open your browser. I'm using Safari. Search for download Java. Click on the second link, so this will take you to the Oracle website. From here you can choose different versions for Java. So we are installing the version 21, which is the latest one. From here you need to click on macOS, and I'm downloading a DMG installer. So I'm using Intel based MacBook Pro. If you are using the newest one like Apple Silicon M1, M2 or M3, so you need to click on the ARM64 because of the architecture. So I have Intel i7 in my MacBook Pro. I am clicking on the x64 DMG installer. Click on allow and the download is started. So the file has been downloaded. Click on the file or on the image. Click on the installer package and this will open the installation wizard. Click on continue, install, type the password. I don't need it anymore. Click on command space. It will open the spotlight search and type terminal. Write Java -- version. As you can see, we have successfully installed Java version 21 on macOS. So this is how you do through the browser or graphical way. So there's one more way I can show you how to install Java using terminal in a separate video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.